Hello, I'll just go through. My name is Karen Morfitt. I work for Learning Elephants Design. It's a digital apprentice at Barnes & College. I wanted to go through some quick coursework with you today. One of the points that we'll be discussing today is intro to I'll be able to describe the components of a digital learning environment. So basically, what I'll be going through with you today is how to identify the communication functions of a digital learning environment. That's 2.1. Then we'll go through 2.2, identify the content management functions of a digital learning environment. Then we'll move on to 2.3, identify the user management features of a digital learning environment. Then we'll move on to 2.4, identify the customization functions of a digital learning environment. Then we'll also discuss 2.5, identify the administration functions of a digital learning environment. Also, we'll move on to point 3, where I will discuss with you how to utilize basic functions of a digital learning environment. So we'll do 3.1, plan and arrange design for use with a digital learning environment. 3.2, use administration tools for a chosen purpose. 3.3, insert, upload or apply a range of static content for a digital learning environment. 3.4, combine a range of media using a digital learning environment. 3.5, apply basic accessibility functions to the digital learning environment. So what we'll do is we will just discuss it as we move along. So I will just basically discuss all these points throughout our conversation, and I'll also try to show you how we do it while I'm using it. So first I wanted to show you how to create a forum in Moodle. This is to do communication, how people communicate, interact, forum to discuss, set up a forum in Moodle. It's really good. I will show you how I do it. So as you can see, this is my apprentice area where I've got various courses on Moodle. I'll go to our test area where I can just show you. I'll be able to show you in a second how to do it. So I'll go to turn editing on. In my apprentice area, I go to my name. Then obviously I need to find my profile. On my profile, I click on add activity or resource. In this one, obviously it's forums. I'm choosing forum. Now here you can read about various communications for forums. Obviously students can communicate with each other using forum, discuss. Teachers can also communicate with students. So you've got all these points that you can read up on about it. We click on add. So let's call my forum Digital Learning Environment Advantages. Description to discuss learning environment advantages. So that's fine. Save and display. As you can see, this is a forum that I've created. Add a new topic discussion. So this is just to engage users. So I just discuss advantages. I use internet to. I use YouTube to learn about Flash animation. You can drag any files if you wanted to. So I've posted a post here, so I discuss Flash animation. So this is just like a post in here. And then users can reply to this post, so they can just click on these advantages and they can just reply to it. So they can put, like, for example, I use YouTube to learn about how to design jumping Santa, for example. So again, it's, as you can see, it's models. Students can communicate with each other using forum, can exchange ideas. I mean, teacher can use it as well. So that's that one. Now I wanted to also discuss with you content management, how to rearrange any packages, how to move them around, drag and drop, move things around, give specific examples. So on this one, all I will do is upload my project, what I've created. So basically, we will just bear with us 2 seconds. So you can see there are various courses in here. I'll have to log out and log back again in order to show you how I've created project. So right, so this is my area, Elephant Learning Design Apprentice Test area, and you can see I'm just going to my name. So these are the learning packages that I've created, like e-learning mixing colours, Piedmont and Primal colours, Gypsy Travellers, Christmas crossword puzzle, digital learning environment, and basically we have to do that for teachers. So what we normally do when we complete, let's say if I complete Christmas puzzle, for example, what I do is I go to turn editing on, I go to my profile, so I'll select my profile, and on here I click on add an activity or resource. So let's say need to select a SCORM package, then add, give it a name, so let's say Christmas puzzle, right? Just to give you an example, puzzle, describe Christmas puzzle, and then what I do here, just I just click on drag and drop files. Obviously in that case I'll just browse, I'll try to look here for my package. So normally that package is saved in documents. Right, bear with us 2 seconds. Yeah, so it will be in documents because they've got to be in a zip file. So I go to my Audiobook Captivate projects, open, yeah, so obviously as you can see at the moment I don't have this on this, but this is how normally we do it. I don't have it actually on this computer saved, but this is how we would normally add these packages. So that's for that one. Now moving on to the next one, I wanted to discuss with you how to, bear with us 2 seconds. Yes, I just want to go through some customization, how to create icons for different units, examples of icons showed, how you upload icons to different courses. So let's just about like customization functions of a digital learning. So we have various we've got various fonts that obviously I've used for different, well, basically what I do is I create icons for different units. These icons are used for various courses. So for example, I use Photoshop, for example. So in that case, in terms of customizations, I could use various icons in order to for my projects. I do use quite a lot of Photoshop on here. So again, it's just I could just demonstrate for you using this using Photoshop. Just bear with us 2 seconds. Wait a second, bear with me. Yeah, so in here, in terms of customization, as I said, we've used various software. We use Photoshop, we use Flash, we use various fonts, images. Like for example, for a lot of projects I've used this. For example, for Christmas puzzle, I've used a lot of Photoshop where I've created and uploaded various images. Also, Captivate is quite a popular software that we use. So, like in Photoshop here, you can, as you can see, you can create various images. You can draw. Unfortunately, on this software, it won't allow me to show you exactly how I do it, but we use a lot of Photoshop for that. We use